Hi everyone, it's a kind of follow-on video from the last one about your partner knowing how to do DIYs as well as you do in case things go wrong. So let's get the camera straight first, shall we? Oh, that's better. Oh yes, I look much better now. Yeah, that's possible. Anyway, yes, what I'm saying, when you retire, things can get a little bit difficult. And if you've been the working party, and back in my day, obviously because I'm back in the 60s, 70s and 80s when I was working, things were slightly different. A lot of the wives did stay at home and look after children. Jan did and brought them up, although she still did a job as well, part-time. They usually do because make ends meet. But you found that you did all the work, so you come back late in the evening, work weekends and all the rest of it to try and make ends meet. This meant you did very little cooking and things like this, household chores. So suddenly you retire, boom, and your wife's still doing it, or your partner is still doing it, whatever that happens to be, and you realise that you don't know how to cook anything, you don't know how to do household chores. You've got to be learnt, because when you did finish work, you kind of got in and I've had it, I've got to get up again at 6 in the morning, and you didn't learn any of those chores, the household chores, and they are very important. Just things like knowing what to buy when you go shopping. I didn't even used to go and buy the shopping because I wouldn't know what to get. I just used to leave it to the wife because my hands were full with flat out working. And this is another thing that needs sorting out, especially once you do retire, because lots of problems can arise when you find that you've retired but your partner hasn't. They're still working, they're still doing the cleaning, cooking and getting the shopping, and that's when you've got to step up to the mark and take it on. So Jan's been giving me kind of fairly intensive household courses and things to do, jobs to do, a bit of cooking to do, trying to learn as much cooking as I can now, how to cater for doing it so she can have a few days off from it and things of this issue. So this is a very important one. Again, really I should have took more time when I was working to learn those other skills, but that was kind of the way it was back in those days, that the guy tended to be working and the woman stayed at home, looked after the children, brought them up. I know it's a bit odd today to say that was normal, but it was. These days, both partners have to work, even with children, so they really do have their hands full. But I say, you have to be kind of ready to take on new skills when you retire. Believe me, there is problems ahead if you do not, and it's very, very important. So whatever skill you didn't learn when you were together when you were younger, now's your chance to swap roles. I've even known people swap round where the wives become, or the partner, shall we say, or whoever, becomes the DIY person, and the guy that was working now becomes the household, looking after and doing jobs and sorting the cooking and the shopping and things like that. So you have a complete swap around of roles. Nothing wrong with that. So just a little bit of my advice I could probably partake on. It's not a lot, but it's just something that's occurred to me as you get a bit older. You think, yeah, that needed sorting out really. But times have changed since my day, as I say, and these days I know a lot of people do swap roles all the time and can do both things, simply because both partners have got to work now. Both got to go to work to make a living, and that's the way life is, sadly, but never mind. Anyway, that's it. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and catch you next time. Bye bye.